It's the afternoon of day 18, and I've been playing volleyball all day. I played volleyball for like 3.5 hours yesterday. It was amazing. I feel amazing. Tons of energy. Just, I'm more flexible, as odd as that is. I don't know why that is. My asthma isn't kicking up. Sometimes my asthma would kick up. It's just, overall I feel great. I feel fresh. I'm not having to wear as much makeup. Like, my breakouts aren't there. It's just, I'm feeling really, really good. And as odd as it sounds, I'm almost at the point where I'm so glad that I'm going into a 90-day challenge from this, because I've gotten used to the routine now of packing my food and knowing what timing I'm going to eat things and take my supplements and things like that. And I've gotten used to it, so I'm happy that I'll be going into a challenge from this, because I don't want to go back to my old habits, plain and simple. So I want to show you real quick what I'm having for lunch. This is a jicama salad. It's a jicama and then avocado. You can see the avocado there. And jicama with some microgreens. And that's about it. And you know what, truthfully, that'll fill me up. That will actually fill me up, as odd as that is. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and go back to some volleyball. Day 18.
Over.